What if a gas leak could destroy your business without ever lighting a match? A successful retailer was thriving until one morning when hazmat teams surrounded their block. Gas leak in the building next door. No fire, no explosion, just invisible danger. The entire block was evacuated and sealed off for weeks. The store sat untouched. Inventory perfect, but completely inaccessible. Revenue dropped to zero overnight while rent and expenses continued piling up. They filed a business interruption claim, confident their insurance would cover lost income. Claim denied. No physical damage to their property meant no coverage. Their policy didn't include access denial protection. Civil authority coverage was limited to just 3 days. The lease required full rent payments regardless. Within months, the thriving business was bankrupt. Sometimes the biggest losses come without smoke, fire, or any visible damage at all. Just invisible gas and fine print.